know, beauty junkies like us are always on the hunt for new beauty tips and trends. So we want to take you around the world to show you some of the best ones we found. And today we're going to Korea, the land of constantly trending skincare rituals, to find out their best kept beauty secrets. For a detailed step-by-step Korean glass skin routine, type Korea in the comments below and we'll send you some more information. This odd Korean makeup hack to achieve a flawless base called jamsu is super weird but totally works. First, you need to prep your face with a primer, foundation and concealer. Next, layer your face with a generous amount of loose powder. Now take a bowl of ice cold water and dip your powdered face in it thrice for 10 seconds each, covering the sides of your face and the hairline too. While the powder sets the makeup, the ice cold water helps to lock it in, making it matte and sweat proof. Once done, gently pat your face dry and apply the rest of your makeup for a smooth and natural base. This unbelievable viral K-beauty hack is super effective and costs close to nothing. Slugging is a technique to achieve exquisitely glowing, healthy skin using petroleum jelly. The best way to do it is before going to bed. After you're done with your regular skincare routine, scoop out a generous amount of petroleum jelly and spread it evenly all over your face to form a thin layer. Petroleum jelly acts as a sealant by preventing any moisture loss. Leave it overnight to see your skin transform. Having said that, this hack is great for dry or mature skin, but it's not such a great idea for those with oily, acne-prone skin. We've heard of people doing crazy stuff in the name of beauty, but this one beats them all. This K-beauty trend suggests applying 7 layers of toner on your skin for intense hydration. Now it sounds simple, but there is a technique to this, and although it's time consuming, it promises immediate results. After cleansing, choose a lightweight, non-alcoholic toner that's hydrating rather than pore tightening, and for the first layer, dab on a cotton pad and swipe it across your face to remove any leftover grime and create a clean base for the next layers, letting it absorb before moving on to the next step. For layers 2 to 7, you won't need a cotton pad, just pour some toner on your palms and pat it onto your skin and neck. Remember to wait for a toner to absorb between each application for ultra dewy and plump skin. Now you must have heard of cleansing, but learning from the Koreans, double cleansing is what builds a foundation for acne-free, healthy and hydrated skin. It simply means cleansing your face with 2 types of cleansers. First, use an oil-based cleanser. Use a ready-made one or make your own with equal parts of a non-comedogenic oil and castor oil. Then massage it on your face to remove waterproof makeup, sunscreen or excess sebum. You don't need to rinse afterwards, just wipe it off with a damp towel. Next, use a water-based cleanser and massage it on damp skin, and then rinse to thoroughly remove any leftover gunk, oil and dirt. This Korean skincare routine will give you the most desired glass skin glow. Let us know what country you would like us to take you to next in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.